Welcome to our presentation. Before we start, educators that are here, our team has a question for you. Have you ever questioned whether the assignments that have been submitted by the students are of their own work or has it been done by someone else? I'm referring to contract cheating. Please let me explain. Contract cheating is where students recruit a third party to undertake their assignments. The worst kind of university cheating is also the hardest kind to catch. Until recently, it was thought that 2 to 4% of Australian university students submit assignments done by someone else. Our research suggests that the real figure is more likely to be 8 to 11%, and over 95% of students who cheat in this way are not caught. To counter this, our team has come up with a solution proposed by Dr. Kazlon, code-based submission system. It works as any submission system previously created. The student completes the assignment and uploads the code or inputs the GitHub information to the website that we created. Then an API will go through the code and cross-check to see whether there are any similar ones online. The result will then be presented to the tutors with the assignment. The students will then be asked 5 multiple choice questions which they have to answer in order for the tutor to mark them off. What is so special about these questions? They will be based on the code that the student submitted. And how this works is that there is a database with pre-made questions which is made by the tutor. When the student uploads the code to the website, the system goes through it and selects the top 5 questions which is similar to the code and presents the questions to the students. If creating these 5 questions take too long, the students will get sent a link to their email. In our system, the convener can create assignments and assign them to students, as well as get a similarity report and the answers to the questions from students. Currently, our system can only work with Python files, but in the future iterations, it can be modified to incorporate different programming languages. Thank you everyone for joining in, and that'll be the end of our presentation. I'd also like to thank all of the team members who are working on this project. We'll end it with the overview of the project itself. If anyone has any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.